This is a special alert to all Americans driving a vehicle with fewer than 175,000 miles with a vehicle service contract that's about to expire or no automobile breakdown coverage at all. Due to a decline in the economy and auto repair costs on the rise, drivers in today's market could be looking at thousands of dollars right out of their own pocket for repairs. Automobile Coverage of America has announced a low-cost automobile coverage plan that is now available to the general public. Drivers will not have to pay for a covered repair again out of their own pocket. Now the repair bill is paid directly for you. This is not like other vehicle protection plans. It's much better and customized just for you and your budget during these hard economic times. It costs less because you only pay for the coverage you need and even pick the repair shop. Your plan picks up the bill. There's never been a better time than now to get mechanical breakdown coverage for you and your family. Call for a free 5-minute quote now and get this protection today.